quick little adjunct over here for the people who would probably or possibly would like to use it as a hammock as well. The material that this stuff is made from is just absolutely solid. We'll go back there. As you can see, and yeah, this stuff is not going to remove it pretty quickly. It's pretty thick, that's for sure. There's lots of tension on that. So I don't know what the full rating is, but it's certainly strong enough to hold a reasonably weighted man. I'd probably suggest anyway up to 80 kilos. By any means, this is not something that I would necessarily recommend. The company does not warrant the product for this particular usage. Just in regard to the width of the overall product, like this, when the product is closed, it's 3 foot down by, sorry, 3'7" down, and then 4'7" wide, so that's lengthways. And if you open it up and if you're using it in I guess a hammock sort of type situation, it's 7'4" one way to 9'4" the other. In centimetres, that would work out. If it was closed, it would be 1400 the lengthway, and then just over 1.80 m that way. And if you were to open the whole thing up, it would be effectively 2.8 metres in that way, and sorry, 2.8 metres that way, and then just over 2 metres that way. So yeah, great product.